Unit 1, Lesson 2. The vocabulary. Powerful. Having a strong effect on someone or something. George. Narrow passage through land. Past. Having excited in a time before the present. Point. An exact moment. Rafting. Going on a raft. A primitive boat. Rocky means stony, feel, full of stones. Steep, rising or falling very sharply from the high point to deep one. Muddy, filled or covered with mud, and almost there is mud after the rainy weather. Flat, not having curves or bumps, like the surface of your desk, by the way. Pear, not covered by leaves, grass, trees, or plants. Wide, opened as far as possible. Here are some phrasal verbs. Break down means to stop functioning. Come back means return. Set off, to start out in a journey. Take off, to leave the surface. Begin a flight means you will begin to travel. You will begin the flight to travel. Check in, to register at a hotel. Okay, you have to book a room in a hotel to stay in. Extra vocabulary. Shade, an area of slight darkness that is produced when something blocked the light of the sun. Guidebook, a book of information for travelers. Accident, a sudden event such as a crash that's not planned and that causes damage and injury. Deep, having a large distance to the bottom from the surface or highest point. Here is the classwork questions. Choose the correct answer. What is a deep valley? It's a hill. We need a what area for cycling? We need a flat area for cycling. After the rain, the country becomes so muddy. The plane what at 5 o'clock traveling to Mecca. The plane takes off at 5 o'clock traveling to Mecca. The car, so we were late for the party. So the car broke down means not working. My brother, my brother set off or came back or checked in early as he was sick. So my brother came back early as he was sick. The journey will what early in the morning. The journey will takes off early in the morning. The weapons are very tricky or fire or powerful. The weapons are very powerful. It was an adventure going down the river on a mm, raft. The ground was what? Beneath her hand and knees. The air chilled. The ground was rocky. Fill in the gaps in the following dialogue. Father said, Mona, yes, I like English very much. So the question here, yes or no question, and here's the present simple tense. So the question will be, do you like English? And here is a question. The answer, we have 6 English lessons a week. Okay, how many English lessons do you have in a week? And do you read English outside school? Yes, I do. Where can you read English outside school? So it's an open answer question. You can say, I read English at my home, or I read English at the library. Okay? You are free to choose the answer. And here is the homework. You will answer and we will check it together.